Waste not, want not. Maybe a bit simplistic, but true. Reducing or removing waste from your business will save time, labor, and keep your employees engaged. What is waste? We can look at business waste in terms of 1. Moving products, materials, or equipment unnecessarily. Moving, while sometimes necessary, takes time and resources that could be used elsewhere. 2. Unused inventory. Raw materials waiting for use. 3. Unused production assets. Idle machines, tools, or labor. 4. Putting more than needed into a product. Also described as overproduction, more goods than needed at a given time. 5. Overstock. Accumulation of excess inventory not being used or sold. 6. Defects. Mistakes in the product causing return or rework. Some management processes map out steps, then analyze to determine which steps should be eliminated or improved. Other ways look to automate tasks, streamline communication and decision-making, and reduce product defects. Regular review of your policies, procedures, and practices will strengthen your business. OpEx90 can help review practices and improve productivity. 1. Training existing staff. Reviews conducted with organic employees trained in Six Sigma helps ensure buy-in of new procedures. 2. Reviewing with a consultant provides opportunity for neutral party, reducing bias or pre-existing solutions. Are you ready to improve your processes? OpEx90 offers Six Sigma courses in yellow, green, and black belt levels, catering to your business needs. Courses primarily offered online, available on-site in select situations. Thanks for watching. Curious if OpEx90 can help your organization? Leave a comment or drop us a note on our website. We look forward to meeting you.